So we're at Cicada Market today. It's more like an arty market, like a more arts and craft and food as well. So we'll check that out. And the tamarind market is over there. So that's the one we went to last time. So we'll check this one out. And the hotel is just here called La Habana. The Habana Bohin. Okay, so if you want to book an Airbnb, just let me know. Okay. So we're at Cicada Market here. Look at this, pineapple fried rice. That looks good. Maybe I'll get some. But this market is a bit more posher, shall I say it. So we got like a, look at that, half chicken roasted with sticky rice. That looks good. We've got like charcoal grill pork and beef. Maybe I'll come back for the beef. Beef got look a lot. There we go. It's a lot of arts and craft. So people can sit here to eat. It's more like you've got paintings here.
Arts and crafts, yeah. It's more upmarket.
It's more upmarket than Tamarind Market, yeah. But it's still good.
Look how they plate the food. It's like almost think you're in a restaurant.
Different atmosphere, isn't it?
Yeah.
All Thai cuisine here. Thai omelette over rice. Really good. I like Thai omelets. But they use charcoal to cook. Yeah, so that's the omelette, yeah?
Alright.
Look at that.
Oh, is this the pad Thai?
No omelette. There you go, that's how it looks.
I think this is the pad Thai.
Just making a picture of your food. Oh, pad Thai.
Pad
Look, pad Thai.
Yeah. So they do the pad Thai with the egg then.
Yeah, this is a good place for pad Thai.
I'll have one of those.
Yeah, you have one of them. So the atmosphere is really good. It's better because the ground is not so wet. Okay. This is the one that I want. Yeah, that is like hot. Yeah, crispy fried oyster for 145 baht. Okay, and they make it fresh for you. I'm definitely gonna get this. Yeah. This is the one that I want. Last time is different. See that? This is crispy. The other one wasn't that good. You got mussel and oyster, or you could just have oyster, or you can have a crispy seafood pancake. So, wow, this looks good. Look at that. Definitely. So this is a seafood section, my favorite. As you know, where I live, Buliram doesn't have much seafood. Grilled shrimp, set 250. Definitely. Grilled shrimp. Okay. Oh, this is vermicelli, baked shrimp with noodles. That's what we had. 145 baht. Huh? Amazing. See, I love this place of food. And we got oysters. 150 บาทมีเท่าไหร่ครับ9 ตัวครับ9 ตัวครับโอเคแล้วป่ะอันนี้ค่ะปลาหมึกย่างเป็นบิ๊กย่าง squid โอเค squid โอ้
แล้วปลานั่งที่ไหนเดี๋ยวนะเดี๋ยวผมพาย่ามาหาปลาอยู่ที่ไหนอยู่ที่นี่นั่งกินที่นี่ใช่ไหม
อยู่ที่นี่กินทะเล
ได้โอเคได้
โอเคอยู่ไปไหน
อ พาไปหายากกับอแมนด้าพามาที่นี่
เอามาที่นี่โอเคI goรอที่นี่ definitely some clams
Are they over there? I need to
no
get
he's gonna come over here
Oh, okay.
got mussels look at those clams they look delicious snells
Oh, snail?
yep your
Oh, I had those
You had
yesterday
that?
the other day.
yeah and look at this grilled fish white snapper สวัสดีครับโอ้บิงบาแล้ว smoked ribs
I'll take one more bite.
yeah that's nice we'll get one Australian beef burger okay it's got I like this market this got a really good feel and it's a bit more you know you can if it's raining it's not so muddy but look they've got pizza I don't know 4 cheese margarita pizza King Arthur's pizza
It looks good.
Looks
It's
pretty
very
good,
crispy, yeah.
Seafood bucket so it's like that's 495 baht that's 395 and that's 295 so they give you a bucket of seafood look อ๋อครับแล้วมีเยอะอยากกิน มองก่อนครับได้มา Hello guys huh
Him.
try
You're missing, aren't you?
Oh, I know mojito.
กำลังแก
Mojito.
ฮะ okay
Ta-da!
oh wow that's so JJ's got like a rib which is humongous that's a big rib how much was that Jay
450 baht
450 baht so just under a tenner and Sue's got like the original pad thai
Yes, egg one.
look at that it's made with an egg omelette and it's got peanuts and everything that looks delicious
It's 85 baht.
85 baht
Yeah.
okay that's a winner
It is.
okay
唔使等埋佢食啦，係咪啊？係咪啊？使唔使等埋佢食啊？因為佢哋個個
So this is what I got. One of my favorite dishes, oyster omelette. So you got that sauce, you got the green sprouts, and you got the really crispy Thai omelette. This one's really good actually. So I'm gonna tuck into this and enjoy. Okay, catch you later. It's really good atmosphere here. Cicada market, okay? Open until about 11 o'clock. Live music. All for free. You can just come here, have a few beers, soak up the atmosphere like what we're doing, okay?